everyone, I'm glad you've come to Cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you a wonderful recipe, and it is called shrimps and pumpkin stir fry. Shrimps and pumpkin stir fry. This stir fry is so super delicious and so easy to make. If you want to know how it looks like, just come along with me and let's do this together. We are making shrimps and pumpkin stir fry. So delicious. I got my pumpkin peeled and diced into cubes, and the shrimps washed fresh like that, and onions. I have sardine deboned. I have seafood sticks, so I'll be using some of them. I have shrimp stock cube, salt, carrot, pepper. I cut it like this, and garlic. Also, I'll be using some olive oil for frying. My olive oil, like 3 tablespoons, and the measurement of everything I will use will be in the description box. Garlic, onion, allow it to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. The pepper, the carrot, stir together. Yummy already. Look at the color. You can use any oil of your choice. I prefer to use olive oil in this stir fry. Now I'm putting in the shrimp stock cube with some salt. Next I'll be putting in my fish. You can decide to leave this out. Now the pumpkin. Now putting in the prawns, the shrimps. I'll be loading it with shrimps. Then the crab stick. And I'll be adding a little bit of water. And I'm going to lock in the flavor by just covering it up. Allow it to continue to cook for about 5 minutes until the prawn, until the shrimps are done. Look at it. Wow, this is beautiful. The shrimps are well cooked, and the pumpkin, wow. This is heavenly. It's ready now. Our shrimps and pumpkin stir fry. When it comes to cooking, you just keep on exploring, and as you explore, you will discover a lot, and as you discover, you will enjoy. And you see that today we've discovered how to make shrimps and pumpkin stir fry. So it was so easy to make. The aroma that filled my house, oh my lord, and the taste, the buttery taste of the pumpkin, melts in the mouth, combined with rice, oh my lord. If you love what you see so far, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, let them know how to cook it. Leave your comment in the comment section, as this is very important to help this channel grow. And if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. There's the red one, just click on it. And also don't forget to click on the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload new videos. To all my subscribers, I say very big thank you, and the new ones that are joining us, thank you. I want to go and enjoy my shrimps and pumpkin stir fry with my about rice. Till next time, bye.